Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. And we're slowly but surely coming to an end to the box, just like we've come to the end of the weekend. It is Sunday. We're going to start up a whole nother week. Got all sorts of stuff to do. Oh, hope you guys had a good weekend. And I hope you guys start off your week awesome. Let's see what our activity card. Hey! Alright, today we start off with a Rotom. Nice. And we got, ooh! Wait, I think we already got the Mudkip. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we got the Mudkip. With the little sandy gas in the background. You know what, what's the other one? There's another Pokemon that the artwork is the top of the sandy gas. I gotta go find it. That'd be cool. I'm sure the artwork overlaps. And hey, we got the oh gosh, Sewaddle. If you know what it is, you know what it is. The cute little bug leaf thing. All right, and our uncommon of the day is single strike. Is it another Electrode? It is. Dang, Electrode. One of my favorite Pokemon, but we've seen a lot of him, so we'll see. See if we have something else cool to translate. And today we've got another rare. Another rare. What color? It's dark. What's dark? I don't know. I don't know what's in the set. It is Oronke. Hey, got the my brain. Grimmsnarl. Ooh, and it looks so fierce and strong. And I think is that supposed to be? It's supposed to be all his hair, right? It's a very interesting design. All right, let's see what we got. First attack, one energy for 60 damage, and the second attack is 2 dark energy for 100 plus. It says your bench Pokemon Kasu. No, Kasu. What's Kasu? Kasu. No. Kasu. Is it a zoo? Maybe it's a different character. Number. Oh, the number of bench Pokemon. Two Iki Kanara. Ooh. 140 damage. So it's like let's see. Maybe we should put in all that. Hiki Nara. Oops, Hiki E. 2. Just 2. Sure. Ka. Oops. I missed a word. Huh. It's not. Nothing's coming up. What else? If you're a kid. Maybe. Nope. I don't know. I don't know what the prerequisite is. So it says something about your bench Pokemon. Like if you have 2 something, then it does 140 damage instead, maybe. So I don't know. But it does sound like a lot of damage, especially if it's 140 plus the 100, 240 damage. That'd be cool. But I'm not entirely sure. So take that info what you will. And then yeah, I think Evolving Style is coming out pretty soon. Get hyped. And let's take a look at the binder. Today we have Swaddle. Oh, there, it's the Araquanid. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. The artwork matches. That's pretty cool. And then... oh, we got the... oh my goodness, Mudkip. Then we got, of course, our Rotom, as well as our Electrode. And looks very much like our Grimmsnarl's gonna go right over there. Alright. Very cool. Alright. Well, this binder's getting really heavy now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. See you back here tomorrow for another daily Japanese booster pack opening. You guys have a mega Monday. Or a magnificent Monday. You guys stay safe out there. And I will see you guys next time.